I got reminded to vlog. We're in the back of Alex Lee's car.
You should have vlogged my burnout.
You're the only one in the back right now. What do you mean? My friend's back here too. Who's your friend? Snoopy. Where are we going?
Your house.
We're going to my. We're actually going to my house.
I don't know. Doesn't matter. You can go wherever you want to go. I can't stop you.
On the street. Cold. I guess we'll see. I didn't originally talk in this, but I realized I should probably tell you guys what's going on. I went to the doctor's to get my physical for cheerleading and to get 3 shots. Oh, okay, we're moving past to the next frame. Spent the day at my house with V and Alex, and we played board games and gave each other massages. It was pretty chill, I guess. This is my first time doing a voiceover, but I realized I didn't give a lot of details while I was recording these, and the vlog is really short today because, well, I didn't really do much, so I didn't really have much to record. And I came to the realization that for most school days, my vlogs are gonna be like shorter and more boring. So I was wondering whether I should just put them into one video or still upload one every day. But I came to the decision to just upload one every day anyways, or whatnot. If you guys are wondering how I did in chess, I ended up losing to V. So yeah. The lighting in the living room is really bad because I didn't turn on. So the lamp I have has 2 bulbs. Only one of them was turned on, so it was pretty dark for the majority of the time we were there. So yeah, these clips turned out pretty dark. This was when we started playing Snakes and Ladders. If you guys are wondering who won this game, Alex won. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. Yeah.
17? Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
I wish I was still 17.
Are you vlogging yourself or me?
The game.
Okay. I thought you said it was bad for me to be my face.
That means you go down the ladder, right?
No, that don't work like that.
I thought you said my face would be bad on the internet. What happened to that?
I have 13 subscribers. I think you'll be right. So here we're just chilling in my room. I didn't record anything after this because after Alex and V went home, I laid on my bed and I kind of just knocked out. I knocked out. So I didn't have a chance to record anything at the end.
I'm suffering.
Yeah, this vlog was pretty disappointing. So I'll try to keep doing better in like the next ones I record and see how it goes. Again, I'm still like testing things out. So thanks for, still watching my content, I guess.
Thanks.